Okay, hi, my name is Rohit Marmoria, a motivated, detail-oriented data analyst holding master degree in MCA and bachelor degree in BCA. I have enhanced my expertise with 3 months of training in Centum Foundation as a data analyst, as well as I have done 2 months of data analytics internship at Unified Mentors. And through these skills, I made many real-world projects in which I leverage tools like MySQL, Power BI, Python, and all. And some of my good projects are sales insight, my settling hardware, and the second is Amazon sales analysis, and one is bar strike analysis. So that's all for now. And when I talk about my soft skills, I have also worked as a team. So I can also say that I have a team management skill also, and I that's it.
From where you have did team management?
Okay, in training where we have assigned a project in a team, and my team is not performing well and not actively participating on the project. So I decided with one of my team member who is actively participated with me to take charge of the project and continuously ping the teams that join the meeting and do the participators actively. Even if they are many of them not going to do the task, then we have decided as they are our team members. So I have decided to complete their some work also so that our project is completed on the time. So from here I learn how to manage a team.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what made you interested in data analysis?
Okay. The question is very interesting. Can you repeat the question?
What made you interested in data analysis?
As everyone knows, data is already very interesting if you know about it. And data has its own, you can say, surprising values. And nowadays, if you say data is a gold mine, and also I have interest in data analytics. As the data analytics person do, they get the raw data and how they can make the meaningful insight and interactive charts, which looks like very easy and anyone can understand that in very easily manner. And most important, using that data, if the data is raw, it is just like a waste. And when the data analysts use that data and make some decision and create some charts and do some analysis, we can use that data is like gold. Because in organization, through data, we can take action on the time and can increase our revenue and growth of the organization. That's it for this question.
Okay. What are your strengths as a data analyst?
So what next? I'm a little nervous about the interview also.
Okay. Um, what are your strengths as a data analyst? Are you going to answer this question or not?
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you.
Oh. So,
Yeah.
what are your strengths as a data analyst?
Okay. As a data analyst, I have worked with many various projects, and I have that business intelligence thinking. Like if I see the data, how can I make the data to look well, look interesting, and how can I visualize the data so that the data looks very easy, even if it looks like very messy. It's my strength. It's my responsibility to make this data good. Like there are many impurities in data, so it's my responsibility to clean the data, impute the data with valuable right information or data values, and create some charts and other visuals that the stakeholder needed
Okay.
as their requirement. So through this is like my key strength as a data analyst.
So, what kind of team environment do you prefer to work in?
Sorry, can you please repeat the question?
What kind of team environment do you prefer to work in?
Okay, I want the team who can do with me anytime. Like they are always open to take challenges, because if you know this is the AI world. Every time new things, new problem is coming in front of us. So we have the key strength to not losing our hope and doing the things well, so that our company or our team perform very well and no one is left behind. So that as a team leader, if I do the work as team leader, I try to be that supportive leader who can make them feel like a team member, not a leader, and just delegate their work well. And if needed, I have to available there for any issue. So like this type of environment, I need to work. I prefer actually this type.
So let's jump to the Python. Tell me about Python. What is Python?
Python is a high-level dynamically typed programming language, which is used for data analytics, data science domain, and building application, web application, and software, etc.
Okay. So, what is the built-in data types in Python?
There are many data types available in the Python, like integer, float, integer, float, boolean, and we can have some additional data types like dictionary, list, tuple, set, and all.
What do you mean by Python dictionary?
Okay, Python dictionary is a data type of Python in which we store the value in the key value pair, and the value is stored in the curly braces only. And the main condition is there: the key should be unique, and the value can be duplicated.
Uh, what is the use of self keyword in Python?
Okay, self keyword mainly used to call the constructor, or you can say if any function want to execute itself, then we can use self. Sorry for the interruption.
Okay. Anything more you want to say about self keyword?
Mm, not having much idea about it. I have prepared two functions only.
How do you handle exception in Python?
Okay. In Python, there is a feature of exception handling in which we can handle the error so that the error, if we don't want to, uh, if we don't want our program is failed or error give error unexpectedly, so we use to uh, error handling to just provide some meaningful information about the error so that program is not failed during execution time.
What is
And the
Python
data,
list?
okay, Python list. List is a data type, or you can say data structure in Python, which is used to store heterogeneous type of data. And list is a mutable type of data structure, you can say, in which we can just change our data type, change our data, replace, update, remove the data set.
What is the difference between list and tuple?
Okay, as I explained earlier, that list is mutable data type and the tuple is immutable. And in the list, we can store the value in the square bracket, and for the tuple, we use uh, parentheses. And both in a list and tuple, we can just store the value in the ordered pair.
Okay. So, what do you mean by lambda function in
Okay,
Python?
lambda function is known as an anonymous function in which we can apply the function on the any given, you can say, values. Like in a list, there is a given lambda function like x of square, then we can using lambda function generate in one line only.
Okay. How do you read a CSV file in Python?
Okay, using pandas function, using pandas library, we can just read the CSV file in the Python. The function name, method name is called pandas.readcsv.
Okay. How do you concatenate two data frame in Python?
Data frame.
Yeah, two data frame in Python.
Concatenate.
Yeah.
Using concat function, we can concatenate two data frames in Python using pandas library.
Let's assume there are a data frame named df1 and second data frame name is df2. Then what is the syntax for
Concat df1 comma df2.
give me complete syntax?
pd.concat in parenthesis df1 comma df2.
Okay. What is the purpose of group by function in pandas?
In pandas, group by function are used to group two value together to perform yeah, group by function is used in pandas to group two different type of data types value together to visualize any chart.
Okay. Uh, what is the difference between double equal to and is in Python?
Okay, double equal to means equal to operator are used to compare two values in Python, whereas the is operator or function is used to check that two values sharing the same memory location or not.
Okay. How do you create a function in Python?
Okay, using def keyword we can create a function in Python.
Okay. How do you sort a list in Python?
Sort list.
Yeah.
Okay, we can use sort values function to sort list in Python.
Tell me syntax.
Sort underscore values and list. Not remember correctly. Maybe this is a pandas syntax. Maybe not remember. Yeah.
So let's move on the SQL.
Okay.
What
Then
is
SQL.
SQL? Yeah.
Okay. SQL is a programming language which is used to interact to the database to get our desired query output.
Okay. Anything more you want to say about SQL?
SQL.
Yeah.
Yeah. Using SQL we can retrieve It's actually SQL is a programming language. Using SQL, we can interact with database and doing some updates and deletion, insertion in the database.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is primary key in SQL?
Primary key are unique key in SQL, which uniquely defines rules in the database table.
Give me example of primary key.
Like roll number, product ID, order ID, this type of thing, which is unique for only one person. This type of thing also is known as primary key.
What is the difference between union and union all?
Okay, this is the simplest one. Union is used when we use union. The union cannot include duplicate values in any operation, and union all is included every possible values in the dataset.
Okay. What is join in SQL?
Okay, joins are used to connect two table based on them some predefined conditions to get any values from both the table.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is aggregate function in SQL?
Okay, aggregate function are used to calculate some values from the database like minimum, maximum, sum, and all.
What is subquery in SQL?
I don't remember that.
Okay. Uh, what is the use of distinct in SQL?
Okay, distinct is used to get the unique values from the table.
Okay. What does null means in SQL?
Null means in SQL there is no not defined values or not recorded value in the table, so there are available null values.
What is a
In
wave in
simple,
SQL?
view,
Yeah.
view, not remember. I saw the question, but not going through the answer.
What is an alias in SQL?
Okay, aliasing is used to just like if the table is known as a student, we can alias as name as it means there is another name which can be short or long to reference that table. This is very
Okay.
useful when we performing join, mainly in self join.
So what is Excel?
Excel is the MS Office tool which is used to perform data operation on the data set.
How do you create a pivot table in Excel?
We can select the data, go in the insert and click on the pivot table, and we can name that pivot table name also.
Okay. Hmm. How do you use conditional formatting in Excel? What is conditional formatting?
Okay, conditional formatting means based on the value we can give the data in some bars and colors and anytime use any type symbol based on the data's value. It is up and down and all.
Okay. How do you calculate the sum of a range in Excel?
Sum of range.
Yeah.
Range means
Sum of range.
okay using
Let-
some function we can do that.
Okay. What does the if function do?
If function is used to check the specific condition is true or not.
Okay. How do you use a data validation in Excel?
Data validation. Not remember this thing actually. I just forgot it. Data
Okay.
validation.
Okay, let's jump on the Power BI.
Oh, this is the toughest one for me. I think I not practice it. Okay, let's see.
What is Power BI?
Okay, Power BI is a business intelligence tool which integrates the power of Excel and some advanced functionality to perform data analytics operation to give the business you can say business information or answers which they use for the decision making.
What are the different types of views in Power BI?
Can you repeat again? Not
What are
getting
the different types of views in Power BI?
views. Not not no. Okay.
Okay. What are the key component of Power BI?
Okay, key component is Power BI desktop, Power BI service, and Power Query, Power Pivot, and some else.
Okay. What is DEX in Power BI?
Dex is a powerful function in Power BI which is used to calculate some measures and values based on the columns available in the dataset.
What is the difference between a Power BI desktop and a Power BI service?
Okay, Power BI Desktop is a desktop application which is usually used in a single computer, as well, whereas the Power BI service is a web version of the Power BI which is running on the internet, where you can also use all the functionality of the Power BI, but the thing is that Power BI service integrated all the things. So you can share your report with organization. You can say your head of organization and business stakeholders to see the insight, and they can also give you suggestion on the comment box there.
What is Power BI dashboard?
Power BI dashboard. Power BI dashboard is a interactive charts, a combination of interactive charts in which your all the visualization available at one place. You can interact with the charts to get the different type of result based on your condition.
Okay. What is Power BI report?
Power BI report. In Power BI report, there is available all the summary of the findings and the key insight which you got from the dashboard.
What is Power Query? Oh, what is Power Query?
Power Query is a editor tool in which we can transform our data based on the conditions that we want. We can change the data type, we can edit the columns, filter the data, and many things.
What are the different types of filters in Power BI?
Filters. Mhm. There are many type of filters. Power BI, like 1 to n, not remember correctly. The only one I know that which I have used is selecting the 1 to n values. Okay, I don't know that.
What is Q&A in Power BI?
Q&A, it is, for example, I can explain it with example. In a dashboard, we can make any Q&A section where anyone can just put their query or question and they get the output in the form of charts and visuals or a report.
What is a KPI in Power BI?
Okay, KPI is also known as key performance indicator, which includes all the important information of the business like total sales, total amount, total you can say values or average values of product and all.
Okay. Mm. What are the advantages of using Power BI?
Okay, as we know, Power BI is an business intelligence tool integrated with many features. So, as we, the first one when we talk about the feature is the security. Power BI is very secure business intelligence tool in which if you do not have the credential to access the any value or chart or any report in the Power BI, you cannot access it. It is not alive like publicly available when until you share it on the public forum.
Okay.
And it also includes like a desktop version, mobile version, tab version. So from anywhere you can use it. It is very easy and handy also, and it also comes with very visualization charts.
Okay.
You can customize the things also very well based on your condition and your preferences.
What is data analysis?
Okay, data analysis is used to perform operations on data to get the valuable insights.
Anything more you want to add? Because you have to know more about it.
Okay, so in data analytics, there are many processes like data processing, data collection, data processing, ETL process, then visualization and the reporting. These all include together to complete the data analysis, and every task need their own expertise.
Okay.
That's it.
What are the different types of data analysis?
Different types of data analysis.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. One I remember is predictive analysis.
Okay.
Um, not remember it now. No, there are three or four approx or five maybe.
So
Not
what is the
remember.
step of data analysis in any tool like Power BI or any other thing?
Not able to get the question. Can you again repeat?
What are the steps for data
Okay. Okay.
analytics?
For the data analysis, the steps involve mm, data collection,
Okay.
reprocessing, ETL, and then visualization, and then reporting.
Okay. Share your screen and
Okay.
show me your resume.
Do you not have my resume?
Okay. No,
So how do you guys started to take my interview without getting my resume?
I have seen your LinkedIn profile.
Okay. So any improvement we needed in my LinkedIn profile?
This is your interview, not a general
Okay.
communication. Okay.
In the last, you can give some suggestion to me. I'm just sharing my
Okay.
screen with my resume. Where is available my resume? Yeah, got it. Okay, okay. I got it from here. Wait a minute, I'm sharing. Okay. Okay, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is my whole resume.
Wait a minute.
Okay, I'm just zooming in. Got it. Yeah.
Okay. I'm not able to see your whole
Okay.
resume.
Now
Yeah. Okay. So you have in recently what project you have made?
I made the project which I have specified in the first position of the project, which is the sales analysis dashboard by to Atlic Hardware.
Can you show your dashboard with me? Is it available?
Yeah, it is available right now. Let me open it. Wait, I'm stopping the screen and I will say it again when got it.
Okay.
I need to open in my Power BI. Just wait a minute. Yeah, are you able to see my dashboard? Am I audible?
Yeah, but I'm not able to see your screen.
Hello.
Hello?
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Are you able to see my screen?
No.
Hello.
What you have did? Yeah, I'm able to see.
Okay,
Okay.
let's start from here. Wait, it is loading. So the problem statement was the Bhavin Patel, the general manager of Atlic Hardware, have facing some difficulties to track their sales and analysis of that, how the market is performing. So
Okay.
I got this problem, and to solve this problem, because their regional manager only provide them a CSV file,
What
so
is
they
the
are not
findings of this
able to
report?
get that what is the total availability of the
Can you
what.
hear? What is the finding of this report?
Okay,
Give me only 2 points.
okay. So the key finding is that we need to focus on the uh, okay, we need to focus on that market which are even not giving more revenue but give us more profit. If
Okay.
you see, there is a Bhubaneswar which having very less revenue in the last, but there is total profit contribution is 10%. And the second thing is we need to focus on which is stable market in which we can just provide that customer more reliable uh, things, so that they can also you can say give us more revenue. And the one additional thing is that we can implement those strategies to the non-performing market from the performing market to see if there are any growth available using that strategy or not.
Okay. I have shared to your data. Get the data in Power
Yeah, I got
BI.
it.
You have given sample question. You can add question also, but you have to make a simple dashboard based on that data, and you have
Okay,
10 minute time. Okay. Did you
10
got it?
minutes.
Yeah.
Wait, I need to stop the screen because I shared you the Power BI version,
Okay.
and I need to add the data in my Power BI. Wait,
Your time starts from
wait.
11:36.
Hmm. What?
Your time starts from 11:36 a.m. Okay. After a
Okay,
minute.
wait. Did you share me the CSV file?
I have shared you the sales data. Yes, yes, before.
Okay.
Share your screen and then do everything.
Are you able to see?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have the downloaded data set. This is sales data.
Yeah.
Okay. I need to first transform the data and see if there are any inconsistencies available in the data set. And this is a sales ID, this is a product, this is a category, quantity, price, and date. Okay, looks good. Need to load the data here. Okay, so I am having the sales data. Where is the sample questions?
I have shared on a meeting chat.
We have to inform that we have said on the meeting chat how many sales are there in total. Okay, what is the most common product sold? How many total sales? Total sales. Okay, what is it? How many sales are there in total? It
Total
not
sales.
getting. Okay, total sales. Okay, then I need to add in a column list total sales, which is quantity into price. Yeah, yeah, good. So now we can make a new measure. Total sales is equal to sum of total sales. Yeah, um, I'm running out of time. What is the most common product? Common, okay. How many unit product was on the first day? Where is that? Okay. The first thing, where is card? Yeah, this is the total sales we are having. And the next was the question. What is the most common product sold? Okay. Product by total sales. Product by total sales. Yeah, most commonly product sales is laptop based on the bars. How many, how many units of product were sold on the first day? Okay. Units of item. If the data starts from, yeah, got it. What I'm going to do, yeah, I need to just copy the thing, copy and paste. Okay, what is the highest price of the product in the data? Okay, price. Where is where the filter is gone? My filter. We don't know. What was the question? Highest price? No, not like that. Advanced filtering, top and no fun. Okay. I need to hear.
Yeah. You have only 1 minute.
Yeah, the last question's answer I have confusion, but the other above three, I think I made it.